Hi everyone, welcome to the Random Home Gadgets channel. Today I will show you how to troubleshoot the E74 error code in the Google Nest Thermostat. The E74 error code means no power detected at the red wire. The red wire can be either the RH or RC wire. Let's first talk about how the red wire works with the thermostat. The red wire carries a 24-volt power from the HVAC control board to the thermostat. The thermostat controls heating, cooling, and fan operation by connecting the red wire to one of the relay wires to complete the circuit. When the red wire connects to the yellow wire, the cooling AC turns on. When the red wire connects to the white wire, the heating furnace turns on. When the red wire connects to the green wire, the fan blower turns on. Therefore, if there is no power in the red wire, the entire HVAC system, including heating, cooling, and fan, will stop working. Here are the possible reasons that can cause this error code. Diagnosis 1. Tripped circuit breaker. Check circuit breakers to your HVAC system to make sure they are at the on position. Diagnosis 2. Red wire not connected correctly at the thermostat. Remove the thermostat display. Check the red wire is at the correct socket. Make sure the connector button stays down, and make sure the red wire is not loose. Diagnosis 3. Condensation overflow at the drain pan. The drain pan locates at the bottom of the HVAC system. It collects and drains water condensations, so the water won't flood your house. There is a float switch at the drain pan that turns off the power to the system if the water level is too high in the pan. To troubleshoot, first check the primary and secondary drain lines at the exterior of your house to make sure there is no blockage. Then check the drain pan to see if there's any water overflow or blockage. Diagnosis 4. Blown fuse at the HVAC control board. Open the cover door to access the control panel. There is a safety door switch that turns off power when the door is removed. Manually hold the door switch to turn on power. Check the indicator light. It's flashing too short and full long. You may look up the instruction manual to check what this indicator pattern means. For this particular Carrier brand HVAC, the too short and full long flashing signal means blown fuse. Switch off the door switch and remove the fuse. This is a 3 amp standard blade fuse. You can see that the metal loop in the middle is burned. Replace a new fuse. Turn on the door switch to check the indicator light. Now it's solid, which means normal functioning. Getting back to the thermostat, put the display back on. You can see that it's turning on the AC system. Check the wire diagram to confirm that the problem is solved. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, please write them down in the comment section below. See you next time!